Hello and welcome back. In this module, I'm going to show you how you can use and optimize Instagram to market your content. But first, you need to take note on what makes a compelling post in Instagram, especially if you're running a business. Your content needs to reach to a bigger audience, and it must be easily accessible to users. Now, I'm going to show you 4 important criteria of a compelling post. The first thing you need to do is switch your normal Instagram profile to Instagram Business. It's easier for you to keep track on the impressions of your posts using a business profile. What's more, it gives a higher probability for you to gain followers because users will find that you are an established business. However, do note that in order for you to switch to Instagram Business, you need an existing Facebook account to link in with it. Next criteria would be using Instagram Stories and Live. This feature has been proven to help improve the engagement between followers and business owners. This is because whenever you update your Instagram Stories, it shows that you are active in your content, and making this puts you in front of other businesses. But keep in mind that stories will be deleted after 24 hours. Another criterion is using Instagram ads. As we all know, in this era, referral or word-of-mouth marketing is no longer proving impactful. That's why Instagram created ads. It is targeting visual users, and now most people react better to images and videos. Plus, the engagement rate of Instagram ads is higher than other social media platforms. The last thing you need to take note of is the usage of hashtags. This is the most important strategy for you to reach bigger audiences and followers. It makes things easier for users to look up for information with specific content. Hashtag is so powerful that even Instagram has its own rating on the most popular hashtag ever. Those are the 4 important criteria to a compelling post in Instagram. In the following module, I'll be showing you how to switch to Instagram Business and eventually on how to use hashtags.